Alright guys, well, this is a new game. If you haven't heard of it, it's Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. And I'm starting a new game just for you guys. So, I'll be doing a series of this. Wait, hold on. I feel like... Okay, well, my Minecraft series is stopped for now, just for a little bit. Just taking a break. My Roblox series is completely stopped. And I'm going to start this while I'm doing my Minecraft series with Alex, which is not here. So, anyways, this is... I'll also try not to talk during the cutscenes. I will. My Kenway. Oh. Okay, so like this. And then like that. Oh, that's okay. And then I guess I turn like this. How far can this thing aim? Yeah. I think there's only one more. Well, Alex is here. He's trying not to disturb me. Oh God! Don't crash. Where are the ships? Jeez. There we go. Okay. Do I have any other cannons? Or just my side cannons? Don't want to hit land. Really? Come on, super. How did I miss? Yeah. I'm gonna try to stop it at 10 minutes. Oh no! The assassin's here. Do I have to take him down, or is he... Or am I him? I'm not sure. Was I just playing as a pirate? Okay.
Is it dangerous? Edward? Privateering. Is it dangerous?
Wouldn't pay so nice if it weren't.
Well, why not sail with the King's Navy? Earn a proper wage, sail under gentlemen.
Salt of the Navy's gentlemen. For every shilling I'd earn, the captain gets 600. That's no way to earn a fortune.
We don't need a fortune.
It's not about need, Caroline. I want food that don't make me sick. I want walls that hold back the wind. I want a decent life.
His house is made of bricks. How does that not hold back the wind?
Privateers.
A year, I reckon. 2 at the most.
That's a long time.
All right. No more than 2. Promise me.
Oh no. Don't drown. Don't drown yourself. Okay. Oh God, I'm almost dead. Oh, I swim. I think I kind of figured that out. wonder if this one works for swimming. Now I've played the other games. I see if you guys can see it, I don't know. The viewpoint for the Eagle Vision, or not Eagle Vision, the synchronizing areas. Is that the assassin?
Was it good for you as well?
Havana. I must get to Havana.
Well, I'll just build us another ship, will I?
I can pay you. Isn't that the sound you pirates like best? 100 escudos.
Keep talking.
Oh, don't you?
You don't have that gold on you now, do you?
I know.
Bloody fucking pirates.
Your pickle's too bad of ammo. He's laughing too.
I'm on to you, Sligsby!
That's right, let's go. Let's chase him.
Come on, mate. We're off to a bad start.
I can sprint, can I? Oh, yeah. I was just making sure the buttons were different. I would have tried it eventually. Like any other Assassin's Creed game. I actually want to get this stuff though. Ooh,
It's 100 leagues or more to Havana. Will you walk that distance?
yeah, I know. Where's the other thing? Because I see that one. That one's probably over some. This guy's a natural born free runner. Okay, now the map loaded up. Best part.
Gosh, kid. Where's he running to?
Heck. I don't know what he's trying to do. Trying to climb up this thing. Oh, there we go. Here it is. What is that? No. I thought he was going to jump down for a second. I was like, no. 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 God. What are you doing, sir? Oh, no, forget it. Ow. Nice. I think you could, I've heard you could buy different assassin suits. I don't know if it's just one of them. I don't think so. There it is. Or not. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, well that was the first, so next time we're probably going to chase this guy. Alright, bye.